You know what? I'm going to get long, aggressively long right now. This is a different type of trade. Aggressively long crude oil. We are +2. So what I don't like about this trade is the fact that we got a pretty tough looking prior pivot high up over there. I'm just hoping we're ready to go. And we may not be. I kind of wanted a quick follow through on this baby. I may bail out on this trade. +1, -1, -2. Yeah, I'm bailing out. Okay, so -2 on that trade, just, and boom. It might go on to be a big winner, but basically the prior pivot high up there slowed me down. And the other big factor for me is the proximity to the crude oil pit open. We tend to slow things down a little bit as we creep into the crude oil pit open. We just actually had a 2-bar buy though, or a 3-bar buy here. Let's see how that where I allowed myself to get taken out generated, not only that, it also generated a PEDC buy, or excuse me, a pulse extreme line cross. So it'll be interesting here. We got the 2 bars down, 1 bar up. The negative is, the 2 main negatives are the prior pivot high, although of course that doesn't always scare us off. There's very often prior pivot highs. We didn't have a clean OS line, meaning we're in OS line chop and slight divergence even, so that was a little bit of a negative. We'll see what ends up happening here. I feel pretty good about my decision to bail out. Of course, I did so at the worst possible point, but it only cost me a couple ticks, so it's no big deal. Now it's not the worst possible point. Now the market has pulled back further. So it looks like the right decision.